made this video to show you guys how I made what I like to call compost soup. I got the idea from teacher Sabina in the polar bear classroom, and I saved lots of vegetables for about a week or so, vegetables that were about to go bad, and I put them in the freezer, and now I'm going to show you how I made the soup that I'm eating for lunch today. First thing I'm going to do is take the vegetables out of my freezer that I've been saving. I have a bowl here. I'm going to pour them into the bowl. Let's see. We've got some green beans, some mushrooms. This is a piece of a green onion, broccoli. There's lots of good stuff in there. I'm going to toss in some kale, wilted kale that I've been saving. And this is going to defrost for the next hour or so. So the first thing I did was I sauteed some onions and garlic. I am adding some broth. This is vegetable broth. This is going to be an all veggie soup. Vegetable broth, and now I'm going to get my potatoes. Potatoes take a while to cook, so those are going to go in first. I'm going to add the rest. I'll let them cook for a bit. I'm going to put in some carrots next, because carrots also need a long time to cook. And I looked in my fridge, I also found some chickpeas, or garbanzo beans. These are all the things I'm going to add. Cut up the celery. I've got to pull out my broccoli too. And I'm going to add it into the soup, and next time you see it, it will be almost done. This is mid-soup making, but I want to show you guys. Look at this. I just added all of the green stuff. Oh, do you see the steam coming up? And after... Ooh, look how foggy I am. After it all cooks down, I'm going to blend it together. So maybe the soup will turn green. We'll have to see. So my soup, it did turn green. Look. This is everything all blended up. Okay, I'm going to taste it for the first time. Ready? Pretty good. I think it needs a little salt, but I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to eat it with my bread. I'm going to have a great Earth Day lunch. Happy Earth Day, guys.